Hey guys, it's me Ole, and you might be wondering, what are you doing in a hotel room? Well, I'm at CES 2026 here in Las Vegas, and yesterday night I got to check out the Clicks Communicator. And I not just got to see the Clicks Communicator, I also got to meet the team, ask them the questions that you actually left under the video that I made about the Clicks Communicator. And if you don't know what the Clicks Communicator is, the company Clicks, the ones that create the keyboard cases for iPhones and Google Pixels and more, actually just announced their own standalone phone. And speaking of which, if you haven't seen my video about that announcement, click here or here somewhere and watch the video. It's going in depth in all the things that they released until now, like the internals, what it's all about and more. But let's get to the party piece, the Clicks Communicator. I actually got to hold it in my own hands because they didn't have working units there just yet. They had prototypes that were there to mimic the feel, the weight, how it feels in hands, how you'll be able to have it in everyday life. And it's not just like rough prototypes. They actually had the real display unit, the real housing, nearly the final keyboard and all of that installed, so you can really get a good feel for it. And the feel when having it in hands is amazing. It's nearly perfect. I love the weight, it feels like quality. It's not too light, not too heavy. I love how the housing feels. And I also like how they put the display at a certain height that has the same height as the keys, so you can just neatly, seamlessly go from keyboard to display without a height difference. And also the whole production quality, the corners, the edges, going out on it with your fingers, it feels so perfect, such high quality. And I told them it feels like Apple has kind of produced a phone with a keyboard and not a small company like Clicks. Another feature the Clicks Communicator has are the removable back covers that you can interchange to make it your own, personalize it with different colors, and even leather options. And I got to test some of them, feel it, and it feels nice. It's like a rubberized material. They also had the leather one there, which of course feels very premium. My all-time favorite is the one that I had in the video, which is the smoke on the outside and the light back cover. Just think, it looks so clean. There's also the green version of it. They didn't have the dark version. Jake, from Returning Retro, really loved the green one. I'm not that much of a green color fan, so my all-time favorite is the smoke with the light all black cover on the back. A big question all of you had was, is this just a companion device, or can I use it as a phone, make regular phone calls, or even use it as my main device? And their marketing strategy was about marketing it or position it as the perfect second device, because they don't want people to feel like they have to ditch their flagship smartphone for the Clicks Communicator or even compete with flagship smartphones in that area. But that said, you can definitely use this as your main phone, and it does have a very subtle speaker at the top of the display. It's kind of recessed, and maybe you see it in the video. It's very nicely designed, and that whole display module, I can tell you, it looks and feels amazing. Also, you were all very stoked about the notification light that they put into the prompt key that they have on the side. And of course, it wasn't really functional, but they had a working LED in there. And I can tell you, if it just lays on the table and the LED is on, it looks great. It looks great. And you might be wondering, why did they put that on the side? And there was actually kind of a thought process going into it, because they were thinking about putting it on the display side, but the thing is, many people just put their phone face down and then they won't be able to see the LED. And the same thing with turning it around, when you have it laying on a table, you won't see it. And on the side, you will always be able to get a good view of the LED, and that's why they put it there. And I think it's a perfect decision, and I think it really ties in well with the design that they have with the Clicks Communicator. So that is just my hands-on experience that I had with the phone, because I wasn't able to test the software or anything. But what I saw until now, what I saw last night, is very promising. I can tell you that. It looks and feels amazing, and I'm really stoked to see what Clicks will be doing with this phone. And I think it's so amazing seeing a company like Clicks pulling something like this off with a small team of like 20 to 30 people all around the world, being able to produce a phone of this quality. And they say it's only possible with the size of the team because every single one of them there has great knowledge, like decades of experience with producing smartphones or marketing smartphones. So I think like this whole package, the whole Clicks phone communicator thing seems like a very complete and good thing. So I'm very excited for it, and I think you should be too. And also, I filmed an interview with Jeff Gatway. He's the CMO and also co-founder of Clicks, and also of course like the creator of the Clicks Communicator. And I filmed a full interview, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes long. And I will upload it here on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And if it's already uploaded, you will find it somewhere up here. And I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, make sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and also make sure to leave a comment on what you think about the Clicks Communicator. I'm very interested in that. And yeah, we'll see us in my next video. Did I say you have to follow me on my social media channels, Instagram and X? Well, if I didn't, do that now. And other than that, I'm still here at CES, and I'll try to cover as much as I can. Okay, see you then. Bye-bye.